Hi everyone, I'm Mary Scarpani and thank you for watching another video with me. Today we are organizing my baby's room, which is crazy that we're already at this stage. I'm actually quite late in the game. I'm 37 weeks pregnant, which you'll see in my bump as I organize everything. And in today's video, we're just gonna be organizing my baby's room. I will show you the state of things. It is not organized at all. We finally have all the furniture together. So now is the time to get it done, especially since I am 37 weeks. It's like I'm cutting it down to the wire, and I will show you. I feel like this bump keeps dropping every day and it makes me so nervous because I have another week left of work before I do my maternity leave, and then I have like 2 weeks before my scheduled induction, and I'll link the video if it's already up, but I'm gonna be doing another video explaining why I'm getting induced. So I'm a little nervous because I'm like, baby, mommy needs some time. So, you know, like I want you to come naturally. It would be awesome if he did, but I'm also like, I'm not prepared at all. I don't have my hospital bag packed. I don't have his room organized yet. So today is the day we're trying to get things done. And hopefully then give me some peace of mind so that if he does decide to make an early entrance, I won't have a nervous breakdown. So we're trying to keep peace of mind. So I'm gonna show you the state of things because it's not good, and then we're gonna get it to great. I'm gonna be sharing some storage hacks and things that I planned already that I'm really excited about, that I learned from other friends. So I'll be sharing all that in this video. Okay, so as you can see, this is his crib. It's been his dumping zone, or my dumping zone, for all the stuff we've been getting for him. So I'm gonna have to empty all this out. And then his closet is also full of stuff, so the top too. So I'm hoping to make some progress in these areas and then show you what we actually accomplish. So yeah, this is what we have to work with. Quite a lot of stuff. This is the before. My first step is gonna be to empty out the crib and just put everything into piles, and then empty out the closet and put everything into piles so I know what I'm trying to do, and then I will inform you on step 2 once we get there.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
So the crib is empty, as well as the boxes next to the crib. So I'm gonna show you my piles and the method to my madness. And then I'm gonna tackle the closet next, add it to the piles, and then try and organize it from there. So I will show you my piles now and kind of explain what my thoughts are. So over here is more like utilitarian things that are like gonna be used every day or on the daily. Those little basket areas are gonna end up being really awesome organizational little baskets that I can keep around the house. I'm gonna keep one in my bedroom and one in like the living room, or like move it around the house so that there's always like a changing area available for me. And then like little things that we'll use every day. And then I separated his clothes over here. So this is newborn. This is 0 to 3 months. This is 3 to 6 months. And then this is 6 months on. And then I have these little loveys that I'm actually going to be displaying in his room. And then I have a little basket that my sister-in-law gave me that I put other little stuffed animals that I'll put somewhere in his room here. And then that's pretty much it. Like, I'm surprised that we were able to accomplish this much so quickly. I'm hoping to now make more of a method to this madness and get it all organized. So now on to tackling the closet.
Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Okay, so now the crib and the closet are empty. The piles have been made. I will show you the updated piles. They're looking a little excessive, but I'm glad that it's done and I can start actually making a method to this madness. I will show you the different things that I did, kind of what I'm thinking for everything. This is all his blankets, his Snuggle Me Organic and his Boppy. I actually have a basket for his blankets that I need to get from downstairs, so I just put them all on his rocking chair. I have to put his diaper genie. I have a spot for that. This is his little like changing station basket, as well as his like utilitarian things, and then his baby bag that I'm actually gonna pack also for the hospital. That is a bunch of feeding things, as well as little baskets that my sister-in-law gave me. His clothing piles, his stuffed animals that I have to find places for. And then those are items that we're gonna keep probably downstairs, because honestly I don't think we're gonna be spending too much time up here. Extra wipes, sheets are in there, and his tub, but I'm gonna put his tub in our upstairs bathroom. That'll go for him. That blanket my aunt made. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there, but I just think it's a really pretty blanket. And then the only thing that is somewhat organized, say hi Tucker. Say hi boo-boo. He's so excited to be a big brother, right? He's so excited. So that's all his toys. So I'm gonna actually put that basket somewhere and we'll keep things moving. Right now, I think I'm going to organize his clothes, set aside the things I'm gonna take to the hospital for him. I got these little bins from Ikea, which I will show y'all once I have it all organized, because I think it's too much right now.
So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me.
Oh my goodness, so I finally finished organizing his room. I'm so glad. It is 4:50. I started this at 2 p.m. I am like exhausted and my back is killing me, so I'm so glad. And I'm in need of a snack. If you're a pregnant mama, you probably understand. I've been doing this for 3 hours now, so I'm like, Mary needs some food. But I'm so excited. This honestly takes a weight off my shoulders. So I'm gonna show you the different little areas that I did, how I'm conceptualizing and organizing the baby's room and like making life easy for me when he comes. I'll show it to you and then I'll explain each thing. And I honestly, I'm so excited about these little bins that I did. They're game changers. I've seen other friends do these before, and I honestly am so glad I put these together. So I will show you everything now. So in this top drawer is probably the least organized of everything. This has some religious items that my mother-in-law got for the baby, which I'm very grateful for. She's awesome. I put some extra binkies. I kind of am making this the drawer of like random things that he will, utilitarian things that he'll need. This is a thermometer for him that my sister-in-law got us. I have a ton of these Choose Life rosaries. They're awesome because you can pray the rosary and your baby can chew on them. So I have that for in his room. And then these are his little baby clippers, little snot thing from Freedom Mom, some burp cloths, and some swaddles. And then here is his 0 to 3 months, all the clothes that I have for 0 to 3 months, and this is all the clothes that I have for 3 to 6 months. I don't really have that much clothing for him, but I figure as he like grows into things, I'll buy. And then this is his 6 to 12 month clothing. And then his sockies, hats, and other hats that I have for him. This top drawer, so as you can see, I'm going to be using, this is a changing table. So this top drawer, I have some water wipes and some newborn diapers. So I have like four different diaper stations in my house. This is one of them, and that's going to be making my life a lot more easy, and I'm highly recommending that for y'all. And then this is all of his newborn clothing. So I separated it. It's like a 2-bin separator. So I'll link below. I got this organizer from Ikea, as well as this organizer from Ikea. This plus the ones below came in a set of 6 for like $6, super inexpensive. And I think this was $4. So really inexpensive. I will link them below if you want to get them. This is his like nicer outfits, and then this is like his lounge, like onesie footy item. So I call this his church clothes, and this is like everyday wardrobe. And this is just extra diaper genie stuff, extra sheets, extra little organizational things. Right next to his dresser, I have a little basket that I got a million years ago, but I will link one that's similar. This was from Home Goods, but I'll find something similar for y'all. And this has all of his blankets that I've been given that I figure I'll use like when I'm nursing him or we're just sitting up here. I am very proud of his closet. We made a huge improvement. So yeah, you can see there was no space, and now there's tons of space in here. So these 2 bins are what I'm most excited about and most proud of. I basically organize these so that I have little stations for like the majority of like day-to-day needs that I can keep throughout my house, so I am not like scrambling to grab something, and just my life is easier. And I highly recommend doing the same thing. I got these bins from Ikea, and I will link them below. But each of the bins has diapers for him, wipes that I got for him. This is gonna go in my room, and my friend recommended this to me. Not this specific thing, but this is like a little pop-out night light that turns on, and she recommended that to me for breastfeeding at night so that I don't wake up my husband and I don't wake up the baby too much or myself, just to turn on a night light instead of lamp. So I got that for next to my bedside table. I'm putting this on my bedside table for him. I have a bunch of different kinds of binkies because I don't know what he's gonna like. Diaper balm, I'm trying out 2 different kinds. I'm trying out this Earth Mama, and I'm also trying out another one I'll show you, as well as little butt paste wand that my friend had and she recommended, and I actually really like, so you don't get the butt paste on your hands because they're sticky. This is like milk absorption things to put in your bra for breastfeeding that I figured I'll want to have on the go and like replenish. And then just 4 little burp cloths, so that I always have a burp cloth available because you can go through those pretty quickly from what I hear. And then this one is a little bit more involved because this is the one that I'm going to keep in my living room, that I'm keeping in my bedroom, and I have a changing table in my bedroom already, so I don't need some of the things I don't need in my bedroom. That this is more stuff that like I won't have on hand in my bedroom. So you'll see there's a few more items. Like I have another Choose Life rosary, and the reason for that is because I have a million rosaries on my bedside table already, but I figured it'd be nice to have one on hand like in our living room for me to grab. Binky's still same. A haka is for breastfeeding and catching. I still have extra the milk pads. I got a different kind of butt paste to try between the Earth Mama and this Bordeaux. I've had both recommended, so I'm just trying out both to see what works better with him. A little butt paste wand. I have some Wellaments here, gripe water, because apparently it's supposed to help with gas. My twin sister, that's a nurse, really likes Milacon, so I'm also going to try that and see what works better. More burp cloths. And then the only other thing that's like really different in this basket is this is a changing pad that my sister-in-law gave me. My living room won't have a changing table, so I'll have this for changing. So I'm really excited about these two things. I think they'll be a game changer and make my life a million times more easy. So the last area that I have to show you that I organized and I'm making my 4th changing station is my room downstairs. It's a pack and play little all-in-one thing. I will show you all the aspects of it, what I'm keeping in there just to make my life easier. This is his 4th little changing station slash sleeping station that's in our room. As you can see, it's like a pack and play. What I really liked about this was I felt like it was a practical investment. It's a pack and play, so we can travel with that, grow with him, and all that good stuff. It comes with a bassinet for him to sleep in, and this actually lifts out and can stand next to our bed on its own. So I wanted to go for that versus like one of the more fancy like rock yourself options. And the reason for that is because I think it'll just help him with sleep to just be not have vibration for like long term, like, so we'll see. I don't know, it's a theory. I'm hoping it'll work, but you know, TBD. This is his Snuggle Me that's inside here. I know he can't sleep with the Snuggle Me inside here. It's just a spot I'm keeping it for now. And then as you can see, it has like a little changing station. I just put 2 of his little swaddles in here, a bunch of diapers, wipes, and then burp cloths. So that is his 4th changing station around our house. I'm pretty excited about this just being kind of like an all-in-one area for him, and it's in our bedroom, so it's like just another spot to keep things convenient and organized. And I will link this in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be making lots of mommy content and updating you as I become a mom. I'm really excited to have this baby. This is my first baby and I'm over the moon. This is just a dream come true for me. So I'm so excited to share all the things that I've been learning because I am 34, so I feel like I have a lot of friends that have already had kids. I've babysat a lot of children. I've nannied before, so I feel like I actually had a lot of time and like to prepare, so I'm feeling pretty confident about what I put together. I hope you guys like these. I will be linking any of the organizational products that I shared in this video, as well as some of the baby products, and I might do like an Amazon storefront for my favorite baby products. So keep an eye out for that if that's something that you're interested in, or comment if you're interested in things like that because I'd be happy to share. Please stick around and become my friend. I would love to have you here. Bye!